Today I'm giving my love a different vibe. I realize that I have been giving you guys something similar all the time. So today we are doing something different. Stay tuned. Do not go.
Stars, we fly so high, chasing dreams across the sky.
Hey my loves, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good because me, I am good. I'm okay. I'm doing fine. I thank God. I don't want to be saying I bless God because God is the one blessing me, not me blessing God. Okay? Thank you. So, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another hair video. If you are new here, my name is Norma, and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe and join the family. And to my OGs, thank you guys for being so amazing. I love you guys, even though you guys have not been engaging on my video lately, but that is by the way. Okay, so like I said, I've been giving you guys regular, right? So today we are doing something different, which is one side cornrow style. And you guys, this hair was so easy. Like, I didn't expect it to be this easy. Like, you guys. Anyways, so nothing much really happened though. Abi, like I said, I don't know how to teach. This is just normal cornrow, like normal way you do your cornrow. That is how you make this hairstyle. It's not hard. You can see that from the video. Like I said on my this thing previous, is it previous, anyway, one of my video, I said cornrow is all about taking it in and out. Is as simple as ABCD. Okay, so I don't have much extension, one, and I don't want it to be too heavy because it's one side hairstyle. You know that everything will be going one side, so imagine carrying a heavy load one side or more. So I had to, do it this way. I do cornrow from beginning towards the end, then I will now add extension. I added the extension just to give it a little volume and also length. And what else did I do? Okay, you have to do like a knotless braid towards the other side to have a few number of hair to make it more full. But if you don't want it like that, you don't need to do any knotless braid from beginning. Okay, you can just do your normal cornrow and you are good to go. So no much style, but I just did my thing, as a magic creator that I am. I will always create a magic with my magic hand. So I'm going to leave you to watch and enjoy, and I hope you will learn one or two from this video. At least if you don't know how to cornrow, you will learn from this video. Okay, thank you. The truth is that if you are not patient enough, you can never be a self braider. Honestly, you would never be a self braider. This particular one, oh god, it stressed me out because my hand was hurting. Like I used all my mind to make this particular part. Before you want to be a self braider, make sure that you have patience, because if you don't, you will lose your mind.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you, remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden, Saturday was spent in a parking lot. Gave it all we got. It was so with you.
Hey, my loves. Okay, I am here to announce to you all that we have finally reached our destination. I mean, the final bus stop. So, everybody, you can now highlight. And also, for those of you that helped, thank you for helping to part the hair, braiding the hair, and finishing the tips. You guys are so sweet, you guys are so amazing, and you guys did an amazing job. I love you all so much. And for the fact that the extension we used on this job was not much, it was not even up to half. I think it's quarter extension, and we were able to achieve this. Oh my god, I'm so proud of you guys. You guys are so amazing, and I'm so happy that we made it to this point. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next one. Please go home, don't stand on the road. Bye.